Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's keep up with our analysis of the euro currency. So as you can see, the technical analysis sometimes could foresee the possible events that yet to be happen. And yesterday we saw another example of that. So if you remember, in the beginning of the session in the morning, we talked about the target and extension that market stands oversold on the daily chart and stands right at the support. It's butterfly completion, targets 127 extension. And we said, well, in the current circumstances, very probable that market could show some pullback. Besides, we're coming to weekend, and it will be a really tough week. So we've got the Fed Reserve, we've got Bank of England. Today we also will get the non-farm payrolls release, and it could be some profit taking, some pullback from technical point of view. And right at the evening of the same day, Donald Trump imposed to put another tariffs. So it seems that they're so popular with the tariffs and Sino-US relations stands in the deadline again, so or better to say in dead way, and the soap opera continues. I think that this is mostly emotional reaction because it just has been said on the J20 meeting that it will be a new round of the negotiations, and it was some relief in the Huawei turmoil. Seems that something positive was on the table just in last month actually. And Donald Trump stunning everybody with a new statement that he intends to impose the 10% tariffs on the 30 billion import from the China. And that was really very significant impact. So you can see reaction on the forex market tends to be weaker than on the gold, just because on the gold, it's additional driving factors exist. So on a dollar, this is only the question the Fed policy and the weakness or strength of the currency. And currently, the tariffs widely associated with more dovish policy from the Fed. Somehow it should make an impact on the United States economy and lead to slow down of the economy, and that theoretically should force the Fed to adopt more dovish policy. Although I am really not the follower of this idea, but that at least that is wide opinion, and you can see a reaction on the market. At the same time, as you can see, that reaction was not very significant. On the Great British Pound, you will see that almost no reaction has happened. And I think that's just more effect of the surprise. So because this is the topic that was starting to investors were starting to forget, and now it again come to surface, and this was some surprising effect, emotional effect, and market shows reaction. But at the same time, this reaction agrees with our trading plan. As a result, we've got this hammer pattern on the daily chart. Actually, this pattern has the same features as the bullish engulfing, as the morning star pattern, and it suggests some retracement in the shape of kind of the ABCD pattern in the long time frame. So if you remember, initially we talked about the retracement back to these lows. So market could retest these lows, and that's approximately should be around 1130. That was our destination point. We also agrees to keep an eye on possible Gartley's triple to sell pattern on intraday charts that could lead us to take the short position. Actually, currently we do not see any reasons to change this trading plan and see what will happen. Besides, today it will be non-farm payrolls release. It also could bring some more information, and situation also could change. So we are just continue to watching for a pullback. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that market returns back inside of the channel. Has been broken here, and that level that we are watching for. So this is lows, and take a look on the 4-hour time frame chart. That's also confidence support, resistance. 1112, 1127. So it's all the stuff stands around the previous lows. It means that on the hourly chart today we could keep an eye on this pattern. That's the butterfly, by the way, that we have discussed yesterday. So currently market is forming kind of the flag pattern, so it looks like the bullish continuation. But I suggest that here maybe retracement will be a bit deeper, just because it was solid sell-off on the Fed, and in general market stands in long downside action. So that's why it's first upside bounce, significant bounce, and retracement probably here will be a bit deeper. So this flag pattern will be either more extended, or market could form even kind of the gutless triple to buy, something of that sort, before the leg up will follow. But if you will calculate the A, B, C, D, OP target, currently it stands approximately 11.35. So if C point will be slightly lower, then it will be around 11.30, maybe 11.25. But anyway, that agrees with the confidence level that we have on the follow time frame chart. So despite the significant the recent news on the tariffs on the Chinese import, so we do not see that it's really has brought some significant technical effect on the market. It just has worked as a catalyst of our trading plan. So yesterday we thought what factor could trigger this pullback, but in the evening we saw what particular it is, and currently we just keep watching on the development of our trading plan and watching for acceptable bearish continuation pattern that we could use in trading.